Stephen.
Hello.
Appreciate your time again. I understand you had a little respiratory infection about a week or so ago.
I was very sick.
Yeah. You and I went over that when we talked about your history today, that you had to have a Z-Pack, you took some steroids, you had something for the antihistamine, but you're feeling okay now.
I am.
Okay. All right, you and I have gone over the history. We talked about your health maintenance and all of those things, that you've had an active endectomy, you had a tonsillectomy. You really don't have anything else remarkable going on. You're on a multivitamin and you take Tylenol when you need to.
Right.
I pretty much got it?
Yeah.
All right. Well, let's get started. We're going to start with a head-to-toe assessment. We're going to start with the head, obviously, since it's at the top. So the first thing I'm going to do is just examine your head. I'm just going to look in here. Your hair looks nice today.
Right here.
Good. Good. Just looking for any lesions, any problems. Good. Your hair is normal texture. All right. I'm going to look in the conjunctiva. Now, if I had a problem and I was concerned about your upper lid, but we talked about how sensitive your eyes are, I could take something and flip the lid up, but you prefer that I would not do that, so we're not going to do that today. Feeling for any sinus issues, any pressure, anything?
No?
Feels pretty good.
Does.
All right. What I'm going to do now is check your visual acuity, and
Okay.
We put the Snelling test about 20 feet away.
Okay.
So what I want you to do is to take a card and place it over one eye, and then read left to right as far down the Snelling test as you possibly can.
Okay.
Go ahead.
T, TZ, PZCK, SSJZF, EYJFXS, QJHALSEE, AZBYTYLGF.
Good. Very good. If you would, switch to the other eye now. Just give it a minute.
T, T, Z, P, Z, C, K, S, S, J, Z, F, B, Y, J, F, Y, S, B, J, and then I'm not sure.
Okay. Great. Good job. Great. Thank you. Next thing I'm going to do is I want you to, if you could sit up for me just a little bit. What I'm going to do is I'm going to bring my fingers around and I'm going to have them wiggling. So I want you to tell me at the moment that you see both fingers.
Okay.
Okay?
There.
Okay.
There. There.
All right, good. And I'm going to check for extraocular movement. So I want you to look straight at my finger and just follow the finger. Good. Very good. All right. Just rest for a second. Okay, now follow the finger. Astigmas. Good. All right, now, and the last thing I want to do, and this can be a little uncomfortable, I want you to follow the finger all the way to your nose. It's testing for conversion. Good. All right. Feel a little funny?
It did.
All right, good. You're doing all right?
Yeah.
Okay. The next thing I want you to do, I'm kind of skipping around a little bit, but it's a head-to-toe assessment. I want you to take your finger, touch my finger, and then your nose. Do you understand? Like here,
Yes.
you okay. And try to do it as fast as you can. Faster. Good. Very good. Good, good, good. All right. Next thing I'm going to do is darken the room for just a minute.
Okay.
And I'm going to actually look into your eye with a light. You okay with that?
Yes.
I know it's not your favorite thing.
No.
I know. But we'll try and make it quick. How's that?
Okay.
Looking for accommodation and direct. Ready?
Yes.
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
You really don't like it.
I'm trying.
Alright. Alright, the next one we may have a little bit of trouble with. I tell you what, I'll just do one eye. But I'm going to be looking at the red reflex of your eye,
Okay.
and then looking for the optic disc. I'll hold your eye open, and if you have trouble, we can stop.
Okay.
Alright? You alright?
Yeah, I'm good.
Good. You alright?
Yeah.
Gonna try the other one?
Yes.
Alright.
That light's not as bright.
You're doing great. Oh, that's a good point. And you're doing great. Just keep looking over my shoulder.
Okay.
Okay?
You have to help.
Okay, and if you can, just for a second, look into the light. Good. Alright, good job.
Thank you.
Very good. Turn the light back on. Doing okay?
Yes.
That's your probably least favorite thing, isn't it?
Yes.
I know. Okay. Alright, we finished your eye assessment. Now we're going to look into your nose.
Okay.
Just kind of checking. We've already checked the sinuses. No tenderness. Alright, I'm just going to look up. Good. All right.
Mm-hmm.
Sorry. You have some trouble breathing through this side?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Alright, let me switch this. Alright. I'm going to occlude one side and I just want you to sniff. Yeah, you do have a little bit of trouble through that side, don't you? Good. Alright, very good. Gonna look in your mouth now. Can you say ah? Good. Can you lift your tongue straight up to the roof of your mouth? So I can see under it. Good. Can you take your mouth to your right? Or left, it doesn't matter. Not the mouth, I'm sorry, your tongue. I guess I didn't say that very well, did I? Thank you. Good, and the other side? Good, bring it back to center. Can you stick your tongue straight out? Good. Alright, good job. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna get something for you to drink. I totally forgot. I'll be right back.
Okay.
Gonna need you to swallow. Well, first I just want to look at your neck. Good. Checking to see that the trachea is midline. Good. Can you take a sip and then put your head back just slightly? Don't choke yourself. Just put it back slightly and see if you can swallow for me, please. Good. All right. If you could lean forward, give you your water back. Good. Can you take a sip for me and swallow? Good. All right. Now, next thing I want to do is to look at your ears. So I want to pull them up and down. Let me know if there's any tenderness or issues there. Any problems?
No.
Okay. Change this out. I'm going to look in